Hey guys, it's me, Brody Blogs, back in another Minecraft video. Today, I am going to be playing a map I custom built. Hey, you want to say hi for the video? I'm about to do a Minecraft, don't bounce the bed, shakes your face cam. You know her if you're a loyal fan of the channel. Today I'm doing another Minecraft video. I'm going to be playing this custom parkour map. Should only be about 10 minutes. Yeah, I built this. Oh, this is what you're talking about. I'm awful at parkour. She is the worst. I'm the worst. I suck worse than you've ever seen, trust me. Need to make a rule in the future. Make parkours really easy so I can actually accomplish them. And you can look good on you. Oh no. Oh, I don't think this jump is possible. I'm in Freddy's room. Well, I gotta go. Bye. Bye. Charlotte, everybody. I think she's making a YouTube channel soon. So, as soon as she does, I'll make a video promoting her. I don't think this is possible, so I don't know what I was thinking. I'm just gonna place a ladder here. Sorry. This is going to be hard to accomplish if I fail this jump I'm going. Oh, first mini stage completed. I'd be pretty sure there's only 3 mini stages. I call it I call Aquarium parkour. This is filled with tropical fish and dolphins everywhere you look. It's just scenery to make the parkour look prettier. All of this stuff is just like, I don't really know. It's just to distract you and make you think like there's something else you need to do. Okay, I gotta go back up here. Oh, look at all the little tropical fishy. Oh, look at the puffer fishy. Hi. Hi, puffer. Yeah, that's the one little area on the map where you can touch the fishies. Little touch tank. Where's the next jump? Oh, it was risky, but I did it. One more jump, guys. Woo! Oh. Huh? Oh, okay, I'm getting pretty close. Oof, this is gonna be it. Oh, this is gonna be another. Oh, come on! No! Oh, so close. Okay, let's do this again. I was thinking of putting a bunch of command blocks down there, but for one, that would be a lot more work, and for two, I feel like this penalizes you more for failing. Honestly, I don't know why, but I have a Nintendo Switch which I play on a lot, and I have a video game called Celeste, and every time I do Minecraft parkour these days, it always reminds me of Celeste. Oh my god, these fish are lagging me so bad. I don't know if any of you have played Celeste, but I don't know why, but Minecraft parkour just always makes me feel like it always reminds me of Celeste. Just a personal thing. Another of the reasons I like it, since I enjoyed that game. Okay, going to do that. Jumperino. This is gonna be hard. Lag. Oh, oh, yes. No! Is that jump possible? I built this in like half an hour. I did not put a lot of work into this. Next time I'm gonna have a playthrough before I make a video, I promise. If I ever do another parkour video. It's just I needed a quick Minecraft video and I had this idea. It seemed fun and I built it a lot faster than I thought I would. And I enjoyed it. Auto jump! Normally I like having auto jump, but it's death in parkour. Okay. Lag though. Probably because of all these fish. If I keep failing, I'm gonna kill some of the fish. That can't be attributed to the lag, I just wasn't paying attention. At least I ended up landing it though, so I don't have to completely swim back and restart. You know it would be really humiliating failing like that first teensy little jump. Okay, I don't know if that's possible. It is not. Hey, why is there a bat in here? It's not amazingly a lot. I just placed random pieces of... Need to pay attention, need to focus. I just placed random pieces of redstone, not redstone, glowstone, and hoped it would work out. I'm gonna kill some of these fish. And sorry, I will be right back. When I snap my fingers, we will resume. Okay. That took me very long, and I resorted to murdering all the fish with the command. But all the lag is gone, and I can move perfectly fine. And the parkour is fixed, so it is possible. I just suck. Oof, I need to get better at parkour. If I'm gonna do parkour videos, I should be decent at it. So much tropical fish. Okay. There's supposed to be a little touch tank reward at the end. That was just depressing. Oh, pufferfish. Please leave a like and subscribe. That's ironic, it's raining. Please leave a like and subscribe for more Minecraft content. You know what? That was a little bit short, so I'm going to show some footage of me and my survival world. Here it is. Okay, guys. I don't know if I'm ever going to use this in a video, but I'm going to build something new. And this video is basically just going to be laying down the foundation. Right now I'm just grabbing some food. I'm going to go see what area I want to build it in. I'm going to be building a store. Convenience store. I'm going to try to see how it works out. Hey guys. Sup, rainbow guys. Rainbow. Space Needle, Asteroid. I don't know. I could use a pick me up. Myself. Guess I better refill before I leave. Okay. I think this unused area is where I'm gonna be wanting to do this stuff. Wait, what's that? Could it be? Oh my god, it's a dog. Do I have any bones? Oh my god, oh my god. I was killing some mobs before. Oh my god, oh my god. This would be my first dog of the world. I haven't seen one yet. Oh my god! Oh my god, a little doggy! You're coming back home with me. We're gonna get you a name. I am going to name you. What am I going to name you? I'm going to name you after one of my dogs in real life. Maybe I'll feature him in my video sometimes. I'm gonna name you Finn. He's my big old golden retriever. Get in there. Okay. And wait, this isn't where I keep my name tags. My name tags in my little vault. You guys know about this if you've seen the other survival video. Ah, here it is. Hi, boy. This is one of the first name tags I've used in this world. Let's see, Angel. I'm going to name you Finn. Okay. Hi, Finn. You wanna, let's see, what do I got here? You want a pork chop? You want a pork chop? Where you going? Yeah, you want a pork chop. You love me. Finn will forever live on my porch. I like this little guy. He's my new favorite pet. No offense. No offense, many chickens. I think I gave a name tag to one of these. Yeah. This one, my black stallion, is Midnight. Oh, jeez, I guess I'll collect the eggs while I'm here. Oh, God. At the beginning of the world, this is actually the third thing I built. First thing I built was just the house. Then I built the farm. Then I had a few eggs stored up, so I started this. And in between all the other projects, I usually take a few visits to the egg farm. And now I have an entire chest full of them. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with them. Oh my god. Just keep these in my inventory. I'll have to get another egg chest. What else can I do? Honestly, I think that's about it. I'll make a different video with the convenience store I'm about to build. I'm too happy about that dog now to do anything. Oh, I'll build him a doghouse. I'm gonna build him a doghouse. Convenience store project is on hold. I'm building Finn a doghouse. Okay, I think that's where I'm gonna end it. I'm gonna try and think of ways to build the doghouse. So that's gonna be at the end of this video here. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next Minecraft video. Bye!